Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to turn off the track changes in your documents on Microsoft Office Word. So the first thing that you have to do is open Microsoft Office, then open the documents that you want to disable the track changes on. So let's have some text here. We will do just a random text. And to go to the track changing panel, all we have is to click on the review tab and it will lead us to the tracking section. As you can see, if I go to the reviewing panel, here are where all my changes are tracked in the reviewing pane. As you can see, there are no changes. To disable these track changes, let's enable it first to show you how it works. As you can see, these are the saved changes. Now we can disable it easily by just clicking on the track changes icon. And as you can see, from now on, the track changes is disabled. Also, with the track changes, you can like accept and reject the changes. If I click on reject, uh, we won't, they won't be accepted. As you can see, all these changes will be deleted. So this is how you turn off your track changes feature. Thank you for watching and goodbye.